Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video, I'm going to be talking about motivation and some of the things that kept me going in the beginning of my music producing career. So in the beginning, it can be very hard to find motivation when you aren't seeing very much progress. And one of the things that really helped me to stay motivated in the beginning was to set very clear goals and aims, so I know exactly what I'm working towards, and so I know what to consider as progress. Because if you're kind of just winging it and going and moving in any random direction, what will you consider as progress? Because you don't even know what you're trying to achieve. So once you set your goals very clearly, it can become much easier to see the progress and therefore be motivated. Second thing is to break down your goals into, let's say you have your top goal, and then you break it down into a smaller goal and another smaller goal that help you reach that top goal. And then if you need to break it down again, you can break it down again and as many times as you need. And that way you know it's much more straightforward that way. You know exactly what you need to work on each day in order to move forward and move on to the next thing. And next is to remember why you started. When you're working on something like this and you get caught up in the day to day and setting goals and moving towards those goals, that's all good and necessary. But you tend to forget why you started and what your inspiration was in the beginning for trying to achieve these goals. So it's really helpful to, right from the start, write down why you started and what was driving you to achieve this. And it's basically a vision. Just write out a vision for what you want in the future and read it every single day. It will really help to motivate you every day and to keep that clear vision in your mind about what you're trying to achieve. So, those are the three things that I have that kept me motivated in the beginning. I hope they were helpful for you, and the reason I picked these three things was because these are things that you don't often hear people talk about on the internet, and there's like a lot of other motivation videos on YouTube, but none of them were getting to the core of the problem, in my opinion. So I thought that these were key to keeping me motivated in the beginning, and I really hope that they've been helpful to you. If they have, make sure to smash that like button and also hit subscribe if you want more videos like this. I'm going to try to upload once every 2 weeks, maybe every week if I can. And yeah, I will talk to you guys next time.